So a couple of days ago for you guys, but for me it was this morning, I had to not post a video because I lost my card reader, which is okay, I can buy a new one, but I lost the actual case with all my card where all my videos are. And I'm like, they are inside the van. Sometimes, you know, I put that case like on top of the bed, edit, and I was like, oh, it probably fell maybe there. I look everywhere this morning inside the van. I cannot find it. So right now I only have one card, which is the one that I'm filming on, and the rest of all my videos, I don't know where they are. Yeah, that's not good. It's been my day today. This door first. You would think that living in a small van, you know, that you will not lose things. You'd be extremely surprised. I lost several things in this van. I always find out in the world, like in the worst place. I'm like, oh, who put that there? I guess it was me. But sometimes it just fell with the vibration, just fell, and like if it fell, like it could even fell like behind this cabinet, and like it's gonna be a nightmare to try to see if it's there, you know, or like in some area behind the bed or whatever, you know. Who knows? Who knows? Oh. Oh. Oh, guys. This is like a luxury camping chair. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's got a little pouch there. It's not over. I do have a second part of the chair. So the company is Iceco, which is the same company that did my fridge. So they do have like a more like camping section, if you want, on their website. And they reached out to me. They're like, Amy, we do have a chair. I don't know if it's new, but I do have a chair. And do you want to try it? And I was like, my current chair, my mini chair of camping, it's been a while that it's been kind of bothering me. It's not super comfortable, and I was kind of looking for something durable because those little camping chairs that you see at Walmart or anything, they don't last you long. It's perfect if you are doing like one or twice of camping season, but when you live in a van, it cannot last very long, and I'm just tired. Oh, this is the best part. Oh. So they're like, we have a nice chair, super durable and everything. I'm like, okay, and I look on the other side, I'm like, oh, okay, that looked like a deluxe camping chair. And the best part, I wish you guys could like touch it. It's so, oh, it's so soft. This here is gonna be to keep my butt warm. Literally. I'm ready for camping. Oh, this thing is so soft. I think Kitty's gonna be jealous. Are you gonna be jealous, Kitty? Alright, with all of this, we are in the campground today because campground for me is like a mini vacation of van life. It's kind of strange to say, but I don't know why. I'm living in the van, I'm gonna do camping, gonna start a campfire tonight. It's just like, I think it's because like nobody's bothering you. It's relaxed. I pretty much never go during the summer though. I don't like this, get like too much people and you know, scream, people like kids scream and all this, which is okay. They're having fun, but for someone who don't go very often, it's better in the winter. People are just like super relaxed, and yeah, I really enjoy in the winter, little mini vacation of van life. I don't know. And you have like a picnic table, you have like, I don't know. I could go in backcountry, probably have the same type of feeling, but I don't know. I do have a feeling when I go in campground that it's more relaxed and it's more like a mini vacation if you want. I think because I can spray myself and it's clean and I don't know. Alright, which day we are? 8. Some deer. Hello, little deer. Oh, you have a little curious one. Hello. Oh, his boyfriend is coming. So I'm gonna prep a couple things so we can cook on the campfire tonight. Something simple. I'm just gonna marinate. I do have a little bit of orange bell pepper, mushroom, tofu. Oh, I do have an onion. I think I'm gonna marinate that too as well. And just a little bit of soy sauce and maple syrup, couple of spice. Let that marinate for the rest of the afternoon. And just, yeah, that's so good. My mom used to make that with chicken, and it's really good with tofu as well. So some maple syrup, a little bit. Soy sauce, and I'm gonna put a little bit of water just to kind of help the whole thing. You want to go for a little walk before we start the fire? I guess that's a yes. Oh, there's another deer here. Sorry, deer. I don't know if the same one, but if it's the same one, she lost her boyfriend. There's deer everywhere. Oh, Kitty, she's scared. Oh no. It was just a deer, Kitty. She's like, I don't like deer. I was just about to say the best part about going to the campground is in the winter is like half of the campground is closed. So right now we are all the campground to go walk. But Kitty, she's like, nope, I don't want to walk.
He's so cute.
So, best part with what I'm cooking tonight is I don't have to wait. There's got shark and you know, I'm gonna cook on open flame. So I do have everything. It's super easy. You dump everything into a bowl, pretty much to a plate. I'm gonna cook on a cast iron. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook a little bit my vegetable and everything, and I'm gonna toss the rice into it. I'm just gonna use instant rice, and with the rest of the marinade, it just makes the rice so flavorful. And we might taste it and add like pepper or kind of a little bit of spice. But what do you think? It's not a treat. It's just rice, Kitty. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna put everything back into that bowl, cook the rice, and cook everything back again. Oh, it's so good. The park ranger just stopped by and I was like, I pay? What's going on? She's like, you want to stay just one night? I'm like, yes. She's like, oh, here's your change. And I was like, oh my God, I didn't expect that because I only had, it's $13 winter rate, and I only had $20. I was like, well, whatever, you know, it's not a big deal. I just wanted to to enjoy a night, and I didn't expect them to come back with some change. I'm like, oh my goodness, thank you so much. So I must admit, she put a little bit of smile into my days, because not that it's doing like really bad, but I'm just thinking it's not my best day today. I lost my memory card with some video footage that I still don't know where inside my van is. You would think, you know. No, I didn't find that. With my car reader, I cut myself a little bit with the axe. No big deal. It's just the axe was snapped into the wood, and I tried to remove it, and it just kind of like snapped my skin. Alright. And one thing that I did tell you is while chopping my green onion at the end, I was like, oh, I want some green onion. I ran into the van, grabbed the green onion, started chopping, and I looked back because I thought that something moved, you know, and I cut almost half of my finger off. It's cut. Let me kind of try to show you. Half of my nail is removed. It's got a big chunk. I was like, seriously, this is not my best day. So while she was stopping, I was just like, oh, what's going on again? And she brings some change back. It's silly, like, you know, I was just but it kind of made me smile again. I was like, okay, maybe things aren't that as bad. But I think I'm just gonna enjoy a little bit left of this bar, grab everything and relax for the rest of the evening before I cut myself even more or hurt myself even more. I think we're gonna play safe for the rest of the day. One of those days. Alright, the heater is on. I'm gonna do it probably like Kitty and just relax and watch a movie. So I'm gonna leave you guys with Miss Kitty, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you in the next one. You had a good day today. You went outside. The deer scare you a little bit though, huh? Can we have a kiss? Oh, almost. Like, no, I'm not giving you a kiss today. Why? It's too late? You done for the rain? Well, a kiss, Kitty, please. Please, a little kiss, Kitty. No, I don't want to see you guys today. Okay, we'll leave you alone. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Oh, there you go. Look a kiss. That's all we wanted, Kitty. Thank you. You can go back to sleep now.